Welcome to my channel Star Smart with me. Show and tell competition. Healthy food and unhealthy food. Hello everyone, my name is Virates. I am studying in UKG. I am telling about healthy food and unhealthy food. Food is the most important thing which we take. There are two types of food, healthy food and unhealthy food. Fruits, vegetables, egg, nuts, pulses, meal, green leafy vegetables, chapati, nuts, milk, egg. These all are the healthy foods. Pizza, burger, french fries, ice cream, cake, chocolate, noodles. These all are the unhealthy foods. Healthy foods are rich in vitamin, minerals, protein, fiber, and all nutrients. Unhealthy foods are high in calories, bad fats, sugar and salt and preservatives. Healthy foods helps us our body growth. Unhealthy foods are very bad to our body. Healthy foods makes us fit and strong. Unhealthy foods makes us sick and weak. Healthy foods gives us energy and immunity to fight against the diseases. Unhealthy food causes diseases and laziness. So, please say no to unhealthy foods. Eat healthy, stay healthy. When you eat more healthy foods, he is like this, fit and strong. This man eat more unhealthy foods, he is like this, obese and sick. Please don't waste food. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.